My name is Monika Włóczyńska and I'm the director of Who I Am. Who I Am is a drama short film about Elijah, a young transgender teenager coming from a very religious family who are trying to figure out their relationship to God, to their parents, and stand up for their identity. Who I Am is a universal film because anyone who has ever been bullied, who feels that they cannot be who they truly are, be it because of their religion, because of their ethnicity, because of their socio-economical status, will be able to relate to that film. Who I Am will be screened at Montreal World Film Festival as part of its international short film competition selection. We will know about the date and time in the upcoming dates. Please do stay tuned on the official website of the festival as well as on the website of Who I Am Short Film. It's a Facebook website, whoiam.shortfilm. Thank you very much. See you in Montreal.